Get ready, because what I'm about to share with you could totally change the way you think about your health. Seriously, this is gonna blow your mind. Most people think you need to overhaul your entire life to feel better, but that's just not true. Forget about those extreme diets that make you miserable or waking up at 5 a.m. to do workouts you hate. You don't need to torture yourself to be healthy. In fact, the best habits are the ones that fit easily into your life. No stress, no guilt, just simple changes that add up over time. Let's start with something so basic. You might roll your eyes, but trust me, it's a game changer. Habit number 1, drink more water. I know you've heard it a million times, but most of us are walking around dehydrated and we don't even realize it. Water is like fuel for your body. It helps your brain focus, keeps your skin clear, and even boosts your energy levels. Think about it. How many times have you felt tired, cranky, or unable to concentrate? Sometimes it's not that you need more coffee or a nap, you just need a glass of water. Most of us are running on empty, and our bodies are begging for hydration. So, right now, pause this video, grab a glass of water, and take a big sip. Your brain, your skin, your mood, they'll all thank you. Make it a habit to keep a water bottle nearby and refill it throughout the day. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Number 2, move your body. Now, I'm not saying you need to join a fancy gym or run a marathon. Moving your body can be as simple as dancing in your room to your favorite song, taking your dog for a walk, or even just stretching when you wake up. The key is to do something every day that gets you moving, even if it's just for a few minutes. When you move, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and energy. You'll notice you're happier, less stressed, and more focused. Plus, it's a great way to break up long hours of sitting, especially if you work or study at a desk. 3, get enough sleep. This one is huge. So many of us try to power through the day with endless cups of coffee, but nothing replaces real, quality sleep. Your body needs time to rest and repair. When you sleep, your brain processes memories, your muscles recover, and your immune system gets stronger. Don't cheat yourself out of sleep. Set a bedtime routine, turn off screens an hour before bed, and make your bedroom a calm, relaxing space. Even just an extra 30 minutes of sleep can make a huge difference in how you feel the next day. 4, eat something green. And no, green Skittles or gummy bears don't count. I'm talking about real whole foods that are packed with vitamins and nutrients. Try adding a handful of spinach to your eggs, some broccoli to your dinner, or a few peas to your lunch. Greens are loaded with fiber, which helps your digestion, and they're full of antioxidants that protect your body from stress and illness. Even if you're not a veggie lover, start small. Just one green thing a day can make a difference. Eating more greens doesn't have to be boring. Get creative. Try a new salad recipe, blend spinach into a smoothie, or roast some veggies with your favorite spices. Your body will thank you, and you might even discover a new favorite food. Last one, take a tech break. We're all glued to our screens these days, phones, computers, TVs, but your mind and body need a break. Every day, set aside a few minutes to put down your phone, look outside, and just breathe. Notice the world around you, listen to the sounds, and let your mind wander. Even a short tech break can help your eyes relax, clear your mind, and lower your stress. Try meditating, journaling, or just sitting quietly in nature. You'll feel more present, more relaxed, and more connected to yourself. These habits might seem small, but when you practice them every day, they add up to big changes. Track your progress, celebrate your wins, and don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day. The goal is progress, not perfection. Try these for a week and watch what happens. You'll start to notice more energy, better moods, clearer skin, and maybe even a little more confidence. Small changes, big results. That's the secret. If you're ready to feel awesome, hit like, share this with a friend, and let's start this healthy journey together. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Just pick one habit and start today. Your future self will thank you.